Have you filed a petition I-130 and you think it's taken a hell of a long time? You want to watch the rest of this video. My name is John Ting. I practice immigration law here in the United States, helping you secure your legal status to live and work in America legally. Now let's take a look here. Okay, this is a screenshot from the USCIS.gov website on how to check your case processing. I've selected first I-130, the form type, and then the category, U.S. citizen filing for a spouse, parent, or child. And I've also selected all service centers, okay? Now take a look at the next. It shows here I-130, 80% of I-130 cases are taking about 15 months. Now, this is only for people, relevant for people who have a beneficiary immigrant spouse, parent, or child outside of the United States. Now, some of you have been waiting about 12 months and you think it's a hell of a long time. I agree with you. Something like this should not take 12 months. It should be less than that. So even though online says 15 months, they don't always take 15 months, okay? I think it's there as a, I wouldn't say scare tactic, but as a tactic to prevent you from submitting an inquiry, because they didn't have any kind of prevention as a delay from people submitting inquiry until the last couple of years. So by them doing this, extending the processing time, at least visibly shown online, it unfortunately delays your ability to submit an inquiry. Okay, so now you're still probably wondering, okay, what the hell with that? When can we get a freaking decision? So if it's been at least 14 months, we would file a lawsuit. We call that Mandamus lawsuit to get a decision on your case. Can't guarantee it's going to be positive or negative, but get a decision, okay? Now, for the most part, most people should get approved for it. It's a matter about getting your decision sooner. Now, of course, if someone asks me, you know, can we get it to, like, when you just filed a case like 2 months ago? No, we can't file a lawsuit for that. We don't recommend it at all. Now, if you have a spouse who is a sponsor that is a resident, as you can see here, that's a different category type, and the processing times are different. It used to show an actual number. A couple weeks ago, I saw like 20-ish months, 25 months. Now it's different. This is why I check at least once a week. Now it doesn't even show any number of months. It says right here, and I've highlighted that USCIS service centers prioritize the adjudication, meaning the processing of a decision for the I-130 for preference petitions when the Department of State visa bulletin shows that immigrant visa is available or will soon become available. Now you're probably wondering, what the hell does that mean? It means a crock of shit, okay? Because I can understand to one extent why they would do that, but ultimately, if they delay the decision of the petition, it delays everything else, because the next step after that, okay, you can watch a detailed video in another video here I'll have for you, but essentially, you need to upload your financial documents, and then phase 3, the scheduling of the visa interview, and so that's going to take another 3 to 6 months. So they're making you wait until the visa bulletin number is available, your priority date, and that's not a good thing. So if you've been waiting a long time, you understand what I'm talking about, or even if you don't understand what I'm talking about, schedule a meeting, okay? Click the link in my profile, schedule a meeting, whether it's a pre-qualified session, if you know you're interested in our services, or if you only want to speak to an attorney, then that's option number 2, to pay a strategy session fee, okay? So get in contact with our team and we'll take care of business for you.